Indiana State gets set for Northern Iowa here in the Hulman Center tonight, and the Panthers, we touched on it, some really good non-conference wins, NC State, SMU, UNLV, a couple of narrow losses to teams that are in the top 15 with Xavier, with Villanova.
They'll try to plead that this isn't the game they break out of their slump, because you know that's really what a lot of it's been.
We're as desperate as them. We got to go win. It's the next game. It's staying in the conference race. So you have to play really determined, and you have to play together for 40 minutes. All right, let's go get it done.
Murphy out front to Scott for a three. That's good. It's 3-0 Sycamore.
Yeah, good stuff there. Great execution, and they got it inside. I mean, against Northern Iowa, you're not going to be able to pound the basketball. The ball cannot stick.
Up top to Kessinger, inside to Rickman. He puts it up, got fouled, scored, and it'll count. And a chance at a three-point play from Andre Rickman. Rickman to Barnes right side. He drives it, gets inside, and lays it in beautifully with the left hand.
Yeah, great stutter step there. Came back like he was going to shoot a step back.
Pickford drives at baseline. His pass knocked away by Kessinger, loose on the floor. Bodies after it, and a jump ball.
There's a scramble there.
That was.
Scott
and Kessinger both on the floor for Indiana State. 4 to shoot. Carlson a long three, hits it.
Man.
1:05 left first half. Barnes drives it, steps back, a jumper is good for two, and it's 36-31. Barnes drives it, gets inside, drops it to Murphy. Murphy underneath, had it blocked, and that's going to end the first half. Northern Iowa 38, Indiana State 31. Back to Carlson, a shot fake. Three-pointer on the way, it's no good. Rebounded by Barnes for the Sycamores. Jordan Barnes to the front court. Barnes to Scott. Scott to Hughes, left corner three. Good! And it ties the game at 44.
Yeah. Attempt shot there from the corner from the freshman.
High ball screen for Barnes. He steps back with a jumper and hits it, and it's 50-47. Barnes for three. That's short. Tipped by Ojanaka. No, grabbed by Rickman. He'll go up strong and bank it in, and it's 50-49.
I like it how he gathered himself there.
The screen again, down the lane, gets to the basket. Runner, good and one!
Let's go, one!
Hughes looks to get it in, and does to Brenton Scott. Scott turned it over, taken away by Northern Iowa's McLeod. He drops it to Brown, inside to Pickford, who put it in to tie the game. 10 seconds left. 4 seconds. Barnes, a three-pointer. It's off, no good. Tipped up and it counts. They'll review it, but at first look, it counted. That's a winner.
Wow. We'll take it, Princeton. Scratch what I said earlier about excitement.
67 Indiana State. Brandon Murphy, the tip-in for Indiana State at the buzzer, lifts the Sycamores to a 2-point win.
You had to fight your ass off just to have a chance to win. That's what it's all about in this league. That's a hell of a win.
Hey, yeah!
Family, 1, 2, 3.
Family.